All the lights in our house are automated with motion sensors to automatically turn on and off. There's just one problem. They require motion. So if you're sitting still, you might end up in the dark. Normal smart home motion sensors like these typically use passive infrared, or PIR, which is the little sensors behind the lenses here. These work by detecting a change in heat pattern as something moves across them. So if you're sitting still, there's no change in that heat pattern and it thinks there's no motion in the room. Here's how I'm fixing that. These are called presence sensors, and they're quickly becoming more popular and available for your smart home. They have precision radar sensors inside of them, usually in the form of microwave or millimeter wave, that can detect micro movements. We're talking down to the level of somebody breathing or even a heartbeat. That small. That way they become programmed to tell there's a human still in the room without any actual movement happening, like you having to flail your arms to get the lights to come back on. Now there is some bad news. These presence sensors draw too much power to be battery powered, so they do need to be plugged into an outlet in order for them to function. So sometimes you need to get a little creative about placement and hiding the wire that go to them. Let me know if you have any questions about presence sensors, and come back for part 2 where I'll talk about the 3 that I'm using, why I like them, why I don't, and what I'm using them for in my smart home.